ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಭಾಷಣದ ವಂದನಾ ನಿರ್ಣಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಚರ್ಚೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೋಕಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಪಕ್ಷ ನಾಯಕ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನ ನಡೆಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಭಾಷಣದ ವಂದನಾ ನಿರ್ಣಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಭಾಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊಸತನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ವಿಪಕ್ಷ ನಾಯಕ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳ ಭಾಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೊಸತನ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಂದನಾ ನಿರ್ಣಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
And for that, I'd like to tell all the youngsters of this country that there is a revolution taking place, an exciting revolution. The world is transforming completely. And the change that is taking place, at the heart of the change that is taking place, we are moving from the world of the internal combustion engine to the world of the electric motor. We are moving from petrol to batteries. We are moving wind, solar, potentially nuclear energy. So our entire way of moving is changing. And this is going to change every single thing. It is going to change warfare. It is going to change medical treatment. It is going to change education. It is going to change how we eat. It is going to change every single thing. Now, the last time there was a revolution called the computer revolution, the government of India had a clear focus. We looked at that revolution. It was the Congress government. We looked at the revolution and we decided clearly that we are going to focus on the development of software. And we rode the wave of that revolution. And today you can see the result.
So ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರ ಭಾಷಣದ ನಂತರ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಚರ್ಚೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಆರಂಭ ಆಗಿವೆ.